Hello and welcome to Mr. Patrick's Corner. Today we're going to do a penetration test on the Cap Dragon. We've got a 2x6 and two oak 1-inch boards. We're going to see what kind of penetration that we have and if they go all the way through to the stainless steel backing. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to use round ball 50 caliber with 141 grains. And I'm also going to try multiple balls loaded in at the same time. We're going to start off with a single ball, then we're going to go to 2 balls, and finally we're going to go to 3 balls. That's 141, 141, and 141. And we're going to see what kind of grouping we get and what kind of penetration. Cocking. Hello and welcome to Mr. Patrick's Corner. This is a starter video for the video that I did with the shooting. It's basically to explain how everything was done. This is the rifle I used in that video. It's a Cap Dragon. It's a dragon claw that's been modified with a proprietary valve. It's patented to get more push. So instead of having like 212, this one puts out 465 foot-pounds of energy. It's got a bug scope on it. And in the filming of this production, I did not use any mechanical positioner, just me and my rifle. The Cap Dragon has been modified for shooting. It's got a hair trigger on it, less than 1.5 pounds. I've got a cheek riser on it. I've got a buttstock absorber on it because this sucker has a kick. Well, this is my rifle. The only difference right now and the rifle that I was using is I had put the moderator on the front. Trouble is, a moderator is a little long, and I was worried how it would film. I took 3 shots with this, and I sort of deafened. Well, that'll be the next. Okay, this is the round ball that I started out with. It's 141 grains. It's 49 or 50 caliber. Okay, I took 3 shots with it. The first shot went into the hole. The second shot hit that round ball and drove it farther, mushering the 2. And I had loaded the 2 round balls together, this one and this one. This one hit and bounced back out. So let me show you now what it did to the target that I was shooting at. The first shot went right through this hole and broke the back. what happened was it hit right there. And then I put the two round balls together. They hit in the same place. The round balls both hit in the same place as the first shot. They both went through. Right here. They broke the wood from the first deal and penetrated all the way through to the other side. Did you get that? Okay. What happened next with the board behind it? It's right here. It put a dent in the wood, cracked the board. On the top you can see the crack. And when I took them apart, I found that the boards, I went through 1, 2, and not quite. And these are exactly 1-inch cedar, and they're well aged. They're like 70 years old. They're tough. And that's where you get the first shot that I put in the rifle, first and second shots, and the two shots that I put together, this one and this one. This one was actually ejected from the hole. It was laying down in the base. You'll see it in the video. I did it in slow motion so you can see the graphic effect. I didn't use anything for rifle stabilization other than myself. And I still had over 2,000 psi of air. And it did plenty of damage. The Cap Dragon is an excellent rifle. It's not really designed for target shooting, but think what this would have done to a wild pig. Easily take it down. Has enough energy. Or deer. Round ball's inexpensive, that's why I use it. But you could put, to demonstrate the capacity, I put two round balls in, set them into the chamber, close the trap, and this means that this 141 and 141, that's 280 grains of lead going down range. And I hit it in the same place, which I think is a short miracle, because I was aiming at the same place that I aimed for the first one. I have practiced with the rifle quite a bit, and I'm a pretty good shot. And I think this is an excellent rifle. You should talk to the guys up at Cap Gun, Mark and Bob. Give them a call. They're in the, you can Google them. They're in Sandpoint, Idaho. And they do a fantastic job retrofitting the Dragon Claws. They're very good. This is more information about where the shots took place. I was at 50 yards and I used my rangefinder, so I'm exactly at 50 yards. I was not shooting for accuracy, I was shooting for showing the power of the gun. So I fired one round, and then I sighted back in on the same place that I shot the first round with the two round balls. One went through and smashed into the other one. The ball following was ejected from this hole and laying in my target holder. And you've seen what happens. This is 1 and 2 together. Quite a smack up. I'm really impressed with that one. And this is the follow-up shot. It was like these two were together, and I had another ball, and they collided with this first ball. The first and the second ball, they fused together. And the third ball was ejected. So that's pretty insane. But it does show the power of the Cap Dragon. So, again, that's all for today. I hope you subscribe and like.